Hello viewers, let's add or delete any icon to a folder inside your mobile in few easy clicks. Now these are different folders and these are the three icons of different apps which we will add to the folder, and we will also delete or out of the same folder for guidance. Click on the folder and now click plus sign at the top. These are all the apps. So let me click Opera, VPN and Parkwheel. Now three are selected, click done. And all the three are now inside the folder. Now if I would like to pull out Parkwheel back to the open page of the mobile, so let me long click on the Parkwheel and drag it out the folder. Now it's on page, but if you take it to another page, so drag it to left or right or the page you desire and leave it. Now it's out on page and the folder is having the two icons. The third we picked out of the same folder. Thanks for watching.